Let's go in for the camera. This is my first time ever building a tent. I'm actually, wow, it's really dark with that cover on. It's already really warm. I'm very stressed about getting hot.
Yeah, but once this is going to insulate it.
We're going to insulate the heat into it.
No, because this is breathing. This is a normal tent. This just had this on there and then no air would get in there.
Yeah. And then this is our little hangout zone. Oh, it's brighter in here. Did we set it up like that on purpose?
Yeah. That's why I said take that out.
You're smart.
Good night, guys.
Sleeping on the ground. Hello everyone. This is the first time I've ever filmed in here. This is super weird. I'm actually like in the gondola, but it's like the only time I have to talk to you because I'm a busy girl. We are officially like halfway packed for Shambs. We set up our tent on the weekend. Well, our weekend, the Tuesday and Wednesday, which was really fun. And we have bought some supplies, which is cool, like some soft drink and chips and that kind of thing. We're not buying too much food because we're probably just gonna buy food when we get there, save on the waste. I don't even know, like it's getting so real now. I feel like I've got nothing left to do other than we need to like finish packing the car on the Monday. Like we'll put esky in. Esky is a cooler for anyone that's not Australian. And yeah, pack my suitcase. I've already like half packed it, and yeah, do some washing and get going. So our plan is to work Monday, finish packing the car Monday night, and then leave bright and early Tuesday to go to Kamloops, and then we'll go to Kelowna. We'll spend the night in Kelowna, and then we're going to wake up really early and head to Salmo, which is where Shambhala is. I'm super excited, and I just wanted to check in. This may be the start of the video, so if it is, how exciting. I don't know what I'll film, but I just wanted to like get some content because I think it's going to be really fun. This will be my first ever road trip, my first ever camping trip, so yeah, it's gonna be cool. All right, I'll see you when I see you. You look like you're in a body bag. Right. Look at my beautiful packing. Guys, we're packing. Gonna be on our way tomorrow morning. It's Monday night. How you feeling? Excited? Excited? I love that shirt. So we're at man, my camera. Why are you so bad? Okay, enough. Yes.
It's so blurry.
Even though, is it? Update for you guys. We are
on your right.
Yeah, I look like shit because it's so hot. We are in Kelowna. How's today been for you? Pretty good? Saw a lot of fun stuff.
Driving.
Yeah. We did so good.
I did so good.
I almost got run over by a bike rider, but it's fine. Oh, what's that? Ice cream. Now we're just chilling, waiting for the party tomorrow.
Seagulls.
Guys, it's 4 a.m. I haven't slept very well, and my monthlies is on day 1. So this is Shambhala day 0. Let's go! No, for real though, we stayed in Kelowna last night because it was just making more sense for the trip. Sorry, I can't sit under this bunk bed, but yeah, it's not wasn't the Hilton, let me just say that, but it's okay. Getting us into the swing of being out of our comfort zone for the first time in a while, and we decided to leave super early because our friend, there's a big mozzie. Our friends were in line for like 12 hours yesterday, so we're like, okay, I want to beat the rush. So we are leaving bright and early. Let's do this. Here we go. Show me your kilometers. Congestion ahead. I'm excited. Thanks. Now fan me. I'm struggling. How are you going?
Where's my keys?